was cutting my toenails as one flew away. I was cutting my toenails as one flew away. Well, I searched and I searched for that toenail all day. Well, I looked inside my belly button all day and all night, yeah. Well, I looked inside my belly button all day and all night. My belly was 1 centimeter wide, but no toenail inside. 1 centimeter. Well, I looked inside my guitar all day and all night. Well, I searched. Well, I looked inside my guitar all day and all night. Yeah, no toenail. My guitar is 1 meter long, but no toenail inside. I stumbled on a paperclip, it weighed about a gram. I searched a bag of sugar, well it weighed 1 kilogram. I searched inside my little car, it weighed about a ton. But still no pesky toenail, it was still on my run. Ooh, I got the toenail blues. Yeah, I was feeling hot, 'cause I've been searching for hours. I look pretty hot too. Well, I was feeling hot, I'd been searching for hours. I wiped 1 milliliter of sweat from my brow. I was feeling tired, I'd been searching for years. For years. Well, I've been feeling tired, now I've been searching for years. So I drank a liter bottle of water just to quench my thirst. I finally gave up searching 10 years later, but by the time my toenail had grown much bigger, so I clipped them with my clippers and 1 flew away. Well, I searched and I searched for that toenail all night and day. Yeah.